Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I quickly grab some color themes. So let's open up our Safari on our iPad and we're going to go to color.adobe.com. So this is a really cool and free website where you can grab some color themes. So let's go to Explore. Now it's going to show you some themes that other users have created. And you can see they got popular searches. There's summer, neutral, primary, spring vintage, luxury, etc. So let's go to the search bar here. And I'm just gonna type something like ice cream and let's see what pulls up. So there is tons and tons of different color themes and you could see some of them are pulled from images. All right, so let's select something like this one here. So if you want to download this color scheme, you're gonna have to create an Adobe account, but just a quick and easy way for me to do it rather than go through all that is just to take a screenshot. So on my iPad Pro, my screenshot buttons are the up volume and the on and off switch. And if you're on an iPad with the circle home button, you can just press the home button plus the on and off switch at the same time to get your screenshot. So here's my screenshot. I'm just gonna crop everything, even the hex codes, hit done and save to photos. Then I'm gonna open up Procreate. I'm gonna go into my color palette, hit the plus sign, new from photos, select my screenshot, and here you go. There is the color palette that we just screenshotted. You could see that there's a duplicate. So if that's the case, just click on that swatch and delete swatch. So there is the color scheme. I'm just gonna do a quick side-by-side comparison. The brown is a 735340, and let's see the numbers on that one. 73523F. So, I mean, it's kind of similar, but not exact. So let me just check another one. Okay, so this blue here, 98F, 1E9, 99F, 2E9. So again, they're not exactly similar, but if you're lazy like me, just do a screenshot. But if you need the exact text codes, then I suggest that you type them in, or you can just adjust them over here. But it's just a quick and easier way to import a color palette. All right, another cool feature is the Create tab. So if you want to select your main color, it usually happens right in the middle here. So there's always 6 swatches. So I'm just going to select this blue here, and you have different options here. You can do analogous, monochromatic, triad, complementary. So if you want to find a complementary color for this blue, you just hit on complementary, and it's going to show you on the color disc all the colors that are complementary to this color. And as you can see, complementary is the opposite on the color wheel. If you want to do triad, it's going to divide this into 3 and it's going to select the colors for that. Analogous is within 2 to 3 colors right beside each other on the color wheel. So you have lots of options here to play with, as well as a custom option if you just want to do your own colors. So don't forget color.adobe.com. It's a free resource for you to create really amazing color schemes.
For more drawing tutorials and gadget reviews, be sure to subscribe to Draw with Marina.